There are several real estate renovations that aren't necessarily worth all of the hassle. These renovations could potentially waste money and at the same time not add any real value to your home. However, there are specific types of improvements that you can make to your home in order to increase both home value and home life value. One of the best home improvement projects that can result in the largest impact on your home is replacing your garage doors. This is often recognized to be one of the best renovations to consider taking on prior to selling a home. This is because it can help to ensure safety, it has a warranty, and it can also serve as more visible improvement for the overall aspect of your home. Additionally, it could also be one of the first things that a potential buyer notices when they first look at your home. For more real estate information in the Springtown, Texas area, visit us online at wrteamrealty.com or by phone at 817-220-4663.